Cabana Bay is the way to elevating your getaway at Universal Studios Orlando. Let's see why. Think Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort is just another hotel? Well, think again. Our stay here was retro fabulous fun, and I'm going to admit it, I used to totally overlook it. That was a big mistake. Let me show you why this resort is packed with family vibes, activities, and memories waiting to happen. You don't want to miss this one. Picture this, a bright, retro-themed getaway that drops you right into the heart of the action. You're steps away from Volcano Bay. Yep, you can walk right over to Universal's water park.
Okay, the pathway starts right by the tower, behind the hot tub of the pool that has the lazy river, okay? And you come out these gates, and then you're gonna follow the pathway. There's a little sign here that's gonna show you which direction to go, okay? So you're gonna walk this way.
And it's a short shuttle to get you to both Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure and Epic Universe. It's all about convenience. Less stress, more fun. And pro tip, early park admission is included for Cabana Bay guests, which means your family gets into the parks before the crowds. Moms, that's a total win. Let's talk rooms. Oh, these rooms are the ultimate family setup. Whether you've got littles, tweens, or teens, Cabana Bay has plenty of space to spread out. Family suites are a lifesaver. Separate sleeping and living areas, a kitchenette for snacks, and enough room so everyone isn't on top of each other. Plus, the colorful mid-century modern design makes it feel like you're vacationing right in your very own retro beach movie. Foodies, you're covered too. Bayliner Diner has all the family-friendly quick eats you could dream of, and yes, picky eaters will be happy too. If you're in the mood for something fresh, Galaxy Bowl Restaurant serves up burgers and pizzas alongside bowling lanes. Talk about dinner and entertainment rolled into one. And for a mom's nightcap, the Swizzle Lounge serves up cocktails that are as cute as they are tasty. Now, let's dive into the pools. Pun intended. Cabana Bay has two massive pool areas. One has a winding lazy river. You can bring a float or grab one there. And here you can just kick back, while the other features a big water slide that's going to keep the kids looping for hours. Afterward, gather the family for a poolside movie under the stars, because the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Oh, and the extras? A 10-lane bowling alley right at the resort, a huge arcade, and even s'mores by the fire pit. You're going to have no problem filling those non-park days with laughter and memory making right here at Cabana Bay. So if you're looking for a resort that blends convenience, affordability, and all the retro cool fun you can handle, Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort is the place to be. You're going to love every minute because this is family vacationing made easy and unforgettable. And make sure to like and subscribe for more travel-related mom hacks because we can help you find the perfect fit for your family.